The OpenSky secured Visa still charges a $35 annual fee in 2026, and that fee comes out of your available credit the moment it hits. If you start with the minimum $200 deposit, your usable credit can drop fast. By the end of this, you'll know what that fee actually costs you, what you get for it, and whether this card makes sense for building credit. Here's the direct answer. The standard OpenSky secured Visa has a $35 yearly fee. It also requires a minimum $200 refundable security deposit. That deposit becomes your credit limit. So if your fee posts early, you're effectively working with less than the full $200 unless you pay it down. The current variable APR is 23.89%. That matters because this card is built for one specific type of person, someone who can't get approved elsewhere. OpenSky doesn't require a credit check to apply. That's the biggest reason people pick it. If you've been denied by Discover or Capital One, this can be an easier way in. But the fee changes the math. If your goal is just credit building, paying $35 a year for a secured card is hard to justify when some competitors charge $0. And because it's secured, your own money is already backing the card. That's the trade-off. You're paying for easier approval, not better rewards. OpenSky does report to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That means on-time payments can help build your score, which is the real value here. One thing to watch: carrying a balance. At 23.89% APR, interest gets expensive fast. This card only makes sense if you pay the full balance every month. So is it worth it? Yes, if you have bad credit, no credit, or you keep getting denied and need a way to rebuild. No, if you can qualify for a no-fee secured card. Quick recap. The annual fee is $35. The minimum deposit is $200. The real benefit is no credit check and credit bureau reporting. Your next step is simple. Compare OpenSky against at least one no annual fee secured card before applying. If this helped you cut through the fine print, like the video and subscribe.